In this video today, we will see how to bring back the WhatsApp image folder that is missing from the gallery of your Samsung device. Right now, if I go to this gallery, I have camera, screenshots, I have some other folders, but I don't have WhatsApp image folder. So what you have to do in this case is, you have to go to this Samsung folder, you have to go to My Files, open internal storage, scroll down and open this WhatsApp folder. Go to media, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings, select this option show hidden files, go back, and if you see there is a folder WhatsApp images which is right now hidden. So what you will do, you will tap and hold to select the folder, tap on these three dotted icons here, select rename, and then you will go at the beginning and then you will delete the full stop sign which is there at the beginning and then rename. So once you do it, close this one, go to gallery and let me scroll down. Now here you can see WhatsApp images folder. So this is how you can bring back the WhatsApp images folder that is hiding from the gallery or missing from the gallery of your Samsung device.